Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reset your Lenovo Tab 3. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember your passcode or password to your tablet, or the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, you need to charge up your tablet and power off it, and stick the combination key volume up and power button, hit holding release when you see the logo of Lenovo, and voila, we have a secret menu from we gonna choose by volume down option, wipe data factory reset and accept by power button, go to the yes, now you're gonna wait a few seconds until it is complete, and voila, now the reboot system by hitting power button, and now the tablet will start with the new software without the password and passcode to your device. I hope the video is useful for you. If yes, you can tap thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!